Hey guys, Donnie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I sure hope you consider subscribing, hitting that notification button so you can see what's coming up new on Big Drone Flyer 77 RC. But today I have the Mjx. This is the Bugs 20. This is the EIS, so we're going to test this out, see how well this camera looks, and see how well this drone performs, guys. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the drone. It's getting pretty hot here. Got the controller on. Looks like it's binding. See if I can get this to connect for, there we go. It's ready to be calibrated. So let me calibrate this. Lights are green. 1, 2, 3. I'll go one more just in case there. See if it's going now. Try upwards. I'm going to try upwards here. As you can go down or up, it just turned red on the front, so it did calibrate there. Let me go ahead and connect the Wi-Fi. Turn the Wi-Fi on. Connect to the drone. Alright, should be connected. Let me go to MRC Pro. Press start. Next. Click. Make sure my camera is recording, and yes, just in case, I've had that happen to me before. So, alright, so I should be getting into Wi-Fi here. Let me go back and look. Double check the Wi-Fi real quick. It says it's connecting, so let me go back into the app. Okay, I had to back out of the app. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of high speed by holding this down up here. I'm gonna get in low speed. I'm gonna go ahead and check the settings. Got all my altitude. Let's put it all the way up. For my range, I put about 19 is good for return to home. Let's go ahead and calibrate the gyros. All right, we're doing that, and then I want to check my film. It's on 1080p. That's what I want, 60 frames per second. And let me go ahead and start the record, guys. All right, I'm going to unlock the motor, and then I'm going to hit the one key takeoff. There we go, one key takeoff. There we go, guys. Blew my landing pad a little bit. Oh, what a nice drone. Nice and quiet too, you guys. You can see that. It's nice and quiet. I'll bring it up a little bit here. Nice and quiet. Looks good so far. Looks like it's locked in pretty good. Let me go ahead and just take this up for a little flight here. I'm just going to keep it low for a minute. Oh yeah, look at tripod mode. That is awesome. So if you're wanting to film nice and steady, that'd be perfect. I noticed with this one you got to put a little bit of tilt to it because it kind of wants to go to the left a little and glide that way. So I got to put a little bit to the right tilt and forward. All right, let me go ahead and bring this thing up. I want to see what it looks like. So it is in like a tripod mode, so it will definitely go super slow so you can film. See if we can take a look at Sacramento today. Now a lot of that smoke is cleared off. It's not as bad. Looking pretty good on camera. Looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop there. I'm at 61 meters, which is fine. I don't want to go too crazy right now since I'm just starting this off. I'm gonna go take a little pan around. Let's take a look at the area here. Trying not to go too fast here. Looking out towards Sacramento, working our way back around to all of Davis. It's looking good so far. I'm making sure no hawks or anything are coming at it. If that's the case, I'll have to put it in sport mode. Take a look on the other side of the soccer fields here. Let's look at all of Davis there, you guys. Gonna do a full pan. which looks really nice. I should stop right here, take a picture, stop the film, take a picture. There's one. We pan around here towards Sacramento. Take another one here. All right, and then one more over towards the highway here, which you're not going to be able to see. I'm not high enough. Okay, and I'm going to start the film back up. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and start bringing it down here. I'm going to kind of just fly around a little bit as I'm bringing it down. I got the sticks full pitched forward and not all the way down. It's getting a lot of turbulence up there from the wind, so it's kind of shaking around up there, guys. You might see that in the film a little because we're getting a pretty good gust coming at me right now. So I'm bringing it back down towards me. Let me tilt that camera down. There we go. Yeah, the wind's definitely catching this guy. All right, I'm underneath that tree right here. Here I am. I'll step out from underneath it. Don't want to get sunburnt today. Start tilting the camera up a little here. There we go. The camera tilts super fast, guys, so getting the smoothness is going to be a little bit hard. That's the only issue with this so far, is you can see on the tilt, when I tilt it down, even a little bit at a time, I'm barely touching it right here. The wheel's barely touching there. That's about as slow as you're gonna get there. Okay, so I'm trying to do it smooth, and it just not gonna do it for that one. And you can zoom in too, guys. It looks like there's a zoom here, which is pretty cool. So I zoomed that in a little bit. Let me zoom back out. So it does have a zoom, which is pretty cool. Let me go ahead and try out some of these functions here. I'm going to go ahead and go into the follow me. Let me swipe. Should be on follow me now. Let's see if I got it to go. Let me tilt it over here. Get it back down over here towards me here. All right, it's hard to see in my phone here. Try this follow me now. All right, does it have me here? Has it got me locked in? I think so. Kind of making weird noises as it's doing. Okay, it's starting to turn. All right, looks like it's coming here. A little bit off to the left there. It's not got me centered, but it is following me. That's good. I just don't know why it's facing that way. So, all right, let me come towards it. All right, so it's pushing back. All right, let me go ahead and cancel that. All right, I canceled that out. I want to try orbit flight, so let me take it out here a little bit. Still got it in camera mode, in tripod mode here, low speed. Let me take it up a little bit here. Turn it around. Face the camera down towards me a little here. Oh, that's a little too much there. Okay, let me try the orbit flight. See what it does. There it goes. There's orbit. Guess I should get in the middle of this thing, huh? There we go. Let me get in the middle. I guess it kind of just picks its own path. Let's see if I can bring it out a little bit as it's doing it now. Can I bring it down? Yeah, I can bring it down. Can I tilt it a little bit? No, I can only bring it down, guys. But orbit is working. So that's good. You could adjust that in the app if I want to bring it out further. So let me go ahead and stop that. No, you're fine. I'm just filming a YouTube video, so I apologize if I'm interfering with you guys at all. So I'm not trying to film you guys. Have a good day. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead. I want to see what GPS is like off. So let me put it in higher rate. All right, I want to see how sporty this thing is. So this altitude hold, you can see when I let off, it's gonna still kind of float there. I shut GPS off, so let's see how sporty this thing gets. All right, so let me know that GPS is off, I guess. So let me turn that back on. Low battery already, guys. Boy, that's it, huh? I don't know why it's low battery. I had this thing charged all night, so let me bring it back and let it return to home, you guys. Let's see what it does. It's too bad. It said it was fully charged, so should be 20 minutes worth of flight, and I know I haven't gone 20 minutes, so let me try to return it to home just so I could test that out. All right, here we go. Return to home. Well, I'm really shocked. I don't know why the battery's already done. Make sure I don't hit anything. I'm going to tilt it all the way down. Looks like we're close. Yeah, too close to the tree here. We'll see. I'll let it keep going. I'll let it keep going. It's getting pretty close to the tree. It's backing out of it a little. All right, coming down. Here it comes. See how close that is. I moved the landing pad, so I don't know how close it moved it when it flew off. So it's gonna be pretty darn close, you guys. Tilt the camera back up. Yeah, I'm really surprised. It must have not have charged all the way. It showed that it had 4. Look at that, right on the money. Oh, that's awesome. I'm definitely gonna have to do another flight, recharge this battery. I'm really surprised that I'm already getting low battery already. It says 2 bars, so and it's gonna keep making that beep, I guess, on 2 bars. So the low battery indicator is definitely too low, and I don't think I could change that in here. It doesn't look like I could change that. So let me go into this settings here now. That's not going to do it. Well, there you go, guys. Not too bad of a quad. I'm going to go and recharge the battery again. I'll come out here and do another flight, but you basically get the idea on how it flies and how everything goes. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. I shut my film off already. Let's shut that off. It says I have 2 bars and it's already giving me, you know, return to home and all that, so which is strange, but oh well, it works, guys. I didn't want to go too long on this review anyway, so I'll do another test, you guys, see how long it'll go next time. But obviously I didn't get very long on this review. Even though it still has 2 batteries, it's going to sit there and beep the whole time. So anyways, all right, guys, Tomtop, I appreciate you guys sending this out, and everyone, I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. God bless. Cheers and happy flying.